What if your last goodbye wasn't really the end? Stay until the end because this story has an emotional twist you will never forget. The last goodbye. Emma loved her grandfather. He was her best friend. They talked every evening. They laughed together. They shared many memories. One winter morning, everything changed. Her grandfather became very sick. He smiled at Emma. He held her hand. He said, "Be brave." Emma started to cry. She did not want to lose him. A few hours later, he passed away. The house became very quiet. Emma felt empty. She missed his voice. She missed his warm smile. Every room reminded her of him. Days passed slowly. She stopped smiling. She stopped drawing. She stayed alone. One afternoon, Emma opened an old wooden box. Inside, she found a small letter. It had her name on it. Her hands were shaking. She opened the letter carefully. The letter began with love. "My dear Emma," it said. "If you are reading this, I am no longer with you." Emma wiped away her tears. She kept reading. "Do not cry for too long. Life is a beautiful gift. Keep smiling every day. Help people whenever you can. Be kind to everyone. And never stop chasing your dreams." Emma smiled through her tears. She felt as if her grandfather was beside her. At the end of the letter, one sentence touched her heart. "Love never says goodbye." Emma closed her eyes. She remembered every happy moment. The pain was still there. But hope returned. The next morning, she picked up her paintbrush again. She started drawing. She visited lonely neighbors. She planted flowers in the garden. She smiled at strangers. Every kind act reminded her of her grandfather. Years passed. Emma became an artist. Her paintings inspired many people. In every painting, she hid one small blue butterfly. It was her grandfather's favorite. People often asked why. Emma always smiled. She simply said, "Someone I love is still with me." She looked at the sky. A gentle breeze touched her face. She smiled once more. She whispered softly, "Thank you, Grandpa." Some goodbyes bring tears. But true love never leaves. It lives forever. Did this story touch your heart? Comment, "Love never says goodbye." If you believe true love lasts forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more emotional English stories.